Hey everybody, and welcome to Anime for Life. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're not going to be talking really about anime or what's going on with the interesting folks on Twitter or, the funny, adorable cinnamon rolls of the komis of the manga, which I actually have to update. I noticed that I haven't done one in a while. But instead, we're going to be doing some math today. And as you can see, I've got my calculator ready. And you might be wondering, why are we going to be doing math? Like, what does math have to do with anime? Right? Unless maybe you're talking about some sort of school anime or something. But aside from that, why? What made you decide to do a video doing math? Well, I'll let you figure that out. So let's start off with an easy question. 9,999, because easy number, divided by this same number. What do we get? Oh, that's easy. 111,111. Well, that's easy to remember. Almost as easy as doing 10 times 10. Well, I suppose anything times 9 is 1 less than 10, so I guess that's kind of easy and to be expected. What should we do next? How about this? 28 times 650. 18,200. Okie dokie. Wish I had that much money in the bank. On to the next question. Now I won't make this too long because I know people don't really like math. Well, some people do, I guess, but most people don't. Let's go with a mirror question. How about this? No, that's not what I want. That's close to what I want. That's what I want. Call it OCD. There we go. 111,556. Why do all these numbers seem to be almost repetitive of each other? It's like almost the same as the first question. Okay. Let's do some subtraction here. We've been doing nothing but multiplication and division, all the hard stuff. Let's do some like grade 2 stuff. How about this? Oh, nope. Again, I'm messing. That's not what I want. More OCD kicking in. I've got a lot of OCD. And there we go. How about that? 91,289. Not bad, almost 100,000. Again, wish I had that much money in the bank. What should we do next? How about this? Big number this time. How about this? Divide by 2. That should be That should be an easy one. Yeah, but what I thought. 357,121. Now, I'll end this here pretty quick. Let's do three more questions, and we'll end it there, because I'm sure at this point I'm already boring you. So how about this? I wish I didn't have to do this so slowly, but some of these questions I've actually pre-written down because I wanted to make it interesting. Equals 104, 285. Okie dokie. I wouldn't be surprised if even with a calculator some of the people nowadays wouldn't be able to do these. Actually, I've seen some people that can't even do the most basic of questions without calculators. You know what? Let's get a little more difficult. How about this? 25 times 25 divided by 20 plus 62. How about that? 93.25. Interesting. Our first decimal question, if I'm remembering correctly. You know, I'm actually going to add a couple more questions because I want to put some big ones. I know I said I was only going to do like 3 more, but there's a couple more questions now that I want to do. I want to make you really think. So how about this one? Bunch of tens. 10 times 10 plus 10. Then add another 10. But then divide that by 5. And then times that by 100. 2,400. Now, the way things are going, I don't think we're ever going to make 2,400. I'm not a cynic at all. Okay, let's do 2 more questions and we'll call it quits. Half you guys probably aren't even watching this anymore. I hope you are though, and I hope you subscribe too. That'd be awesome. And how about 8,000 times 1,200, and then we'll divide that by 300. Get 32,000 even. Oh, that's nice. It's always nice to have even numbers. And let's make one last question. And let's make it 53 times 12. And we'll divide that by 6, and then add 999 minus 132, and then times that by 63. Then finally, we'll divide that by 3. And we get 20,433. Well, we'll leave it at that. And we'll end our math class with that question. Some of these questions I had already written down. Others I just kind of came up with. Because the bigger questions I definitely wouldn't be able to remember at the top of my head. But yeah, I just decided why not do a math class today? Because everybody needs to know math, right? You use math every day, so why not do a refresher? There's It's just an innocent little thing, right? There's no ulterior motives, none, not at all. Believe me, right? I hope you do. Don't look too deeply into it, guys. I swear, there's nothing ulterior or bad about this video. But anyway, with me completely honestly not trying to do anything bad or lewd, I hope you keep enjoying anime and anime for life.